Digital Backpack by CDS is a powerful platform that helps attendees track booth visits and collect digital content all in one convenient place. As an exhibitor, you can leverage Digital Backpack to distribute your company's content through unique QR codes to generate more connections with attendees. This content sharing tool makes the perfect complement to your lead capture apps, helping you generate the most comprehensive contact list possible. When an attendee scans your Digital Backpack QR code, an instant exchange happens. They collect your digital content, and you collect their contact data and product interests. Here's how to get started with Digital Backpack. When you are on the website expressleadpro.com, scroll down until you see Digital Backpack and add it to your cart, along with your lead capture apps. Once you've submitted your order, you will then see your order confirmation on the screen, and you'll receive 2 emails from Express Lead Pro. The first is a copy of your order confirmation, and the second is an action required email. Within the action required email, there will be a button to set up Digital Backpack. Click that button to access your Exhibitor portal and Digital Backpack. Now you can begin uploading your content. Click on the Add Material button. You have the option to upload both PDFs and web page URLs. Let's start by uploading a PDF. Select the PDF option, add a title and description for this material in the appropriate boxes, taking note of the character limits. This is how they will appear in the attendee's Digital Backpack. Then add a name for the QR code that you will export to help you easily identify it from other materials you upload to Digital Backpack. Then click on the Upload New PDF button. Navigate to the PDF file on your computer that you'd like to upload. Select the file and hit the Click to Upload button. Your PDF has now been uploaded, and you will see it appear in the materials list. To upload a URL, click the Add Material button and select URL link as your upload option. Then add the URL address. Just as before, add a title and description as you want them to appear in the attendee's Digital Backpack. Add a name for the QR code file you will export to help you identify it from your other QR codes. Once the material is uploaded, you can use the Manage button on the right to do several things. First, you can preview what you've uploaded using the Preview option. Use the Edit Material option to change the title, description, file name of the exported QR code, or even the URL link if the content is a URL. However, you can't edit a PDF file once it has been uploaded. Instead, you will need to delete the file and upload a new PDF. When exporting your QR codes, you have several options. You'll want to work with the person in charge of your booth design to find out what will work best. There are 3 different file types you can export: PNG, EPS, and SVG. PNGs can easily be added to slide decks and word processor documents. Similar to digital photographs, PNGs are comprised of several tiny colored dots. If you resize them too much, they can look blurry or pixelated. EPS files can be used in most design software and can be resized without losing their sharpness. They're ideal for large-scale booth graphics. SVG files are typically used in web design and can also be resized without losing image quality. You can also export a branded QR code through the Manage button. This will export a PNG file that includes the QR code, your company's name, the title of the material, some Express Leads and Digital Backpack branding, and a call to action to scan the QR code to add this to your Digital Backpack. The branded QR code is an easy way to let attendees know that the QR code is tied to material that can be added to their digital backpacks. You can also export all of your QR codes at once using the Export QR Codes button. If you have many PDFs and URLs that you want to share with attendees, but don't have space to display all those QR codes in your booth, you can export one master QR code. When an attendee scans this master QR code, all of your PDFs and URLs will be added all at once to their digital backpack. Once you've exported your QR codes, it's time to display them in your booth. Here are some booth design tips and best practices to consider. Make sure your QR codes are at or near the eye level of attendees. Make it easy for someone to use their phone camera to scan without having to stretch or bend down. If you are grouping QR codes together on one sign, remember to create enough space between QR codes so that an attendee's phone camera only tries to read one QR code at a time. Use a call to action that encourages attendees to scan and informs them of what content they will receive. The first time an attendee scans a digital backpack QR code to collect content, they will need to enter their last name and badge number. There is also an option for them to use their camera to scan their badge. After that one-time verification, the material connected to the QR code they scanned will be added to their digital backpack. They can continue scanning QR codes throughout the show floor to collect content. Attendees also will receive an email with a link to access their digital backpack, which contains the content they scanned to collect, and their exhibit tracker, which lists the exhibitors who scanned their badge using a lead capture app. It also contains additional materials they did not scan at the event, but are available for them to view and collect after the show is over. When an attendee scans one of your QR codes to collect your material, their contact and company data and what they scanned is added to your leads list, stored in the Downloads section of your Exhibitor portal. Similarly, when you use your lead capture app to scan an attendee's badge, that attendee's data is added to your leads list. You can download your lead capture leads list and digital backpack leads list separately using the download buttons on the left, or click the Download All button to download your entire combined leads list. To see what material each of your digital backpack leads scanned, scroll to the right in your downloaded leads list. Combine your digital backpack content with Express Leads lead capture apps to maximize the number of potential leads you collect and supercharge your event ROI.